Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Butler, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving is error-free and effortless with our services. We are also able to cover this 50-mile journey and above without placing our clients under any unnecessary stress. This moving will go smoothly because of our good standing with the federal and state agencies in charge of the relocation process. Besides that, we have insurance policies in place to protect our clients both during and after the transfer of their assets. The safety of our customers and their belongings is also of the utmost importance to us. While your property is under our care, you don't have to worry about its safety. Our movers are disciplined and well-trained to ensure that the customer is always at ease during the moving process. Because of this, our customers are entirely delighted. The only proof you need is to read our customer testimonials. You'll discover that we are a good fit for you. It's easy to see why we're the best moving service in town. A 1-hour session with us costs between $30 and $40. Because of our passion and ethical movers, we can promise you a wonderful experience throughout the entire business partnership. Continue reading to learn more about our other services if you need them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Butler moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.